Hi, in this video we're going to show you a couple of ways to format a large flash drive as FAT32 in Linux. So if you use Windows as well as Linux, you probably know that you can't format a flash drive larger than 32 gigabytes as FAT32 in Windows without either using a special tool or doing it in some other operating system. So we have done some videos on how to accomplish this in Windows, but we're going to show you a way to do it in Linux as well. All right, so we're going to show you the easy way, and then we're going to show you the more techy way that will work for all distributions of Linux, or at least it should. All right, so this is Cinnamon Ubuntu right now. So depending on your version of Linux, you may or may not have the disks tool. So let's check it out here. So we'll just type in disks, and we have our flash drive mounted here. So all we need to do is go to the gear icon, format partition, give it a name. Let's keep it the same name, for example. Check this box here. Click on Next, Format. Now it's ready to go, and we could mount it by clicking on the Mount button here. And now we're FAT32. All right, so that's the easy way. But like I said, depending on your distribution of Linux, you may not have the disk tool, but you will have something similar that you should be able to do this with. All right, so let's change this back, and then we'll do the command line way. We'll do it NTFS, for example. Okay. And you can see this is our device right here, /dev/SDC1. So you're going to need to know this for the next method, but we'll show you how to find that as well. Okay, so now we're going to open up a terminal. All right, so I have some notes that I could just copy and paste from, so I don't have to type it. And I'll put all this in the description as well. All right, so first we're going to check the disk label here. All right, so you can see we have SDC as our 128 gig drive. Linux never seems to show it quite the same as Windows does, so it shows it as 115. All right, so now we're going to unmount it. So let's clear the screen here first. So sudo umount and then the disk designation there. So I'll copy this. Put in our admin password here. All right, so now we're going to do the next command here with the sudo parted with the make label MS-DOS. So that'll wipe everything out and get it ready for formatting here. All right, everything will be destroyed. Say yes. All right, should be okay ignoring this message here. So let's clear the screen out again. All right, so now we're going to do the same sudo parted with the make partition primary FAT32, 100%. All right, then we're going to run the final command here. So sudo make file system FAT and then FAT32 with a 64K cluster size. So this may need to be changed depending on the size of your flash drive. So you might want to look that up beforehand to see what the recommended cluster size is for your particular size here. All right, so now if we want to check it, we can run this command here. All right, so you can see we have FAT32 right there. All right, so as you can see, it's not too difficult of a process, just a few steps there. So depending on whether you like to do it via the GUI or terminal command line, that's up to you. Or if you're using a version of Linux that's just running in a terminal, then you could definitely use this version because you won't have a GUI option. All right, so like I said, I will put all this in the description and then you can try it out for yourself. All right, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.